Introduction to Python and Generative AI courses with free of cost. Okay, so here is the website name. You can search NIELIT. Okay, so since starting I will explain you where you have to go. First, this is a home page. Then, so if you scroll down, then yeah, not here. Before that, yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, so this is the home page. It will be from NIELIT institutes. Okay, so from there, here is the different option. So you have to select this virtual academy. Then okay, so this is an electronics and information technology. Here they are providing different level of courses, like you can learn Python, different programming language, like okay. So IoT, then certificate courses on Python, generative AI, agentic AI, data analyst, so many programs and the courses, certificate courses. Okay, you can apply through this, and AIML also is there. Okay, so now here are the courses. So total 15 courses are going on now. Okay, so if you want to take for free courses, then you have to select here. So far only two courses is free, that is Python and generative AI. So if you want to apply, just before that you have to click on this icon so that you can see all the instructions in a PDF form. Okay, so name of the course is Introduction to Python. So mode of the conduction, it is self-paced. Duration is 2 hours. Okay, and prerequisite. So you required one laptop or computer with basic 4 GB RAM or more. Graphics card is 2 GB. Okay, and good internet connection with high speed. Right. Yeah, this is all about the introduction. Then course fee is nil, eligibility is nil, methodology, teaching mode is self-paced. So this is the registration link is also given, so you can click on the links to register. Okay, so these are the different models: introduction to Python, control flow structure. Right, so total is 2 hours. So for any queries you can contact that coordinator name. Okay, so if you click on the link, given link, then you can go and register now. So once again I will click there. So now if you want to apply, so you have to click on the apply link. So first you have to sign up by entering your basic details like name as per Aadhaar card, email address, date of birth, password you can keep your own, then email address you can keep the college name. Okay, fine, it will be on your certificate also. And here some calculation you have to enter here, then sign up. After sign up, again log in, so that some more details it will be asked you to enter, like educational documents, okay, photos, Aadhaar card, all details it will be asked to upload. And finally you have to register. Okay, so confirmation will be given later. Okay, so in this way you can apply for the free courses. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.